Hello, welcome to Atom. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe and share. In this video, we will discuss about valency. So what is valency? The combining capacity of an atom is known as its valency. The number of bonds that an atom can form as part of a compound is expressed by the valency of the element. For example, carbon has a valency of 4. It means number of 4 hydrogen can combine with 1 carbon to complete its valency. As we know, according to the octet rule, we can say that the outermost shell can contain a maximum of 8 electrons. Only a little chemical activity is observed when the outermost shell is completely filled. We can also say that its combining capacity becomes 0. If we see towards carbon, it has 4 electrons in its valence shell, so it can combine with 4 hydrogens to get stable and complete its octet. It takes 4 electrons by 4 hydrogens to complete its octet. Let's understand the concept of valency. Noble gases have a completely filled outermost shell, and that's why they are least reactive. Other elements' reactivity depends upon their ability to attain the noble gases configuration. It means they have to attain at least 8 electrons to complete its octet or 2 electrons to complete the duplet. In this way, they also become the least reactive like noble gases. To understand this concept, we have to learn the capacity of an atom, which is described by total number of electrons loose, gained or shared to complete its octet, and it also determines the valency of the atom. So how to find valency of elements? The number of electrons in the outermost shell of hydrogen is 1, and in magnesium it is 2. Therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1, as it can easily lose 1 electron and become stable. On the other hand, that of magnesium is 2, as it can lose 2 electrons easily and also attain stability. Let's understand this with the help of table. Here's valency of first 5 elements of periodic table are shown with their atomic number and valency. If we see valency of hydrogen, atomic number is 1 and valency is 1. It can attain its duplet by gain 1 electron. Valency of helium is 0. It has already attained stability. Lithium has 1 valency. It can attain stability by lose its 1 electron. Similarly, beryllium can attain stability by losing 2 electrons. Boron's valency is 3. It can attain stability by losing 3 electrons and so on. Furthermore, it is not only determined when an atom loses an electron. Let's take the different example, like a fluorine. It has 7 electrons in its outermost orbital. It is hard to lose 7 electrons and it completes its octet by gaining the 1 electron. It means it prefers to gain 1 electron rather than to lose 7 electrons. I hope you understand all the concepts. If you have any question, you can ask from the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Think like a proton and always stay positive.